Add the video in your timeline, then go to the color tab and select the window. And now from this window tool list, select the pen tool. And now go to your preview screen and select your watermark just like this. Once you selected your watermark, now select the tracker tool and make sure to put the playhead at the beginning, and then click on track forward. Once the tracking process successfully finished, go to effect panel, click on search effect and type here object removal. Click and drag the object removal effect to your node just like this, and then click on scene analysis. And now DaVinci Resolve will start to remove the watermark from your entire video clip. Once done, you will see this kind of bug. Now to fix this error, scroll down and here click on build clean plate.